down, I gon' get bone. Give it up, give it up, give it, give it, give it.
Get the fuck up and go jam! We have to fucking set goals. We have to achieve them. We have to fucking do things to give our brain stimulation, to give ourselves happiness, because that is the point in life. There's only one person on this earth who can become the person you want to be, and that's you! That's you! You gotta get the fuck up right now!
You're too tired? Keep going. You're too stressed? Keep going. You're uninspired? Keep going. You can't see it happening? Keep going. No matter what the situation, no matter how big the challenge, there's only one answer. Keep going.
But this is why you guys need to go to the gym. When you go to the gym and you train really hard, right? And you know, you're in there and you're killing it and you're putting yourself and your body and your mind through physical turmoil, right? And mental turmoil. It's going to be a lot easier for you to go home, eat the proper food, drink enough water, get your high protein intake, eat some fruits and vegetables, eat a healthier diet. Eating that healthier diet is going to allow you to feel better. When you feel better, your mind's going to be clear, you'll be able to make better decisions, and even if you are dealing with adversity, you're going to be in a physical and mental state that you can handle it.
Recuerda esta frase cada vez que quieras rendirte. El dolor de la disciplina es temporal. El dolor del arrepentimiento es eterno. Enfrenta el sacrificio de hoy para evitar el lamento de mañana. Inspiring you to manage your life.
يا خوتي انا كنجي لهنا نبرد الاعصاب ديالي هنايا نبرد الاعصاب. يا خوتي هانتوما كتشوفوا راه الاعصاب ديالي كتركب.
It's one of the reasons why I work out so hard. Because when I work out really hard, I have respect for myself.
Yes.
For that day, I know I'm not a lazy piece of shit. For that day, I know I'm focused. For that day, when I'm done, I'm like, I know who I am. I get shit done.
There's no going back.
She's a beast. I call her karma.
Yes, 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 yes. Stip, stibbity dip, stibbity double, 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 double. Yeah. Go, 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 go.
Pimps in the crib, mom. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. When the pigs try to get at you, park it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot. Get an attitude, pop it like it's hot.
If you eat less and move more, you'll lose weight. If you eat less, move more, and eat plenty of protein, you'll lose body fat. If you eat less, move more, eat plenty of protein, and strength train, you'll lose body fat and build muscle.
You better make sure in the next season of your life that the person who walked away from you know what they're missing. you better do something so strong and so big with your life that they have to sit on the couch and say, that's the one that got by, man.
Et écoute ça, t'as peut-être la flemme de t'entraîner, t'as peut-être la flemme d'aller à la salle, des fois tu repousses ton entraînement, tu fais pas ta diète, mais oublie pas qu'à chaque fois que tu fais ces choses-là, tu te manques de respect à toi-même, tu manques de respect à tes objectifs, à ce que tu t'es promis. Donc rappelle-toi toujours la raison pour laquelle t'as commencé, et dès que ça va pas ou dès que tu perds les motifs, remémore-toi de cette raison, de cette douleur qui t'a fait commencer la muscu.
7-day challenge. Wake up at 5 a.m. Daily 30-minute walk. Read 10 pages. No junk food. Drink only water, nothing else. Go to bed at 10 p.m.
Because the worst thing that you could do to yourself is not become the person that you could be in this lifetime.
À chaque entraînement, quand tu vas à la salle, tu y vas pour te faire mal. Si tu y vas sans cet état d'esprit, c'est perdu d'avance. C'est seulement le jour où tu vas commencer à apprécier cette douleur que tu pourras te construire un physique de champion. Pas avant. Souffre à chaque exercice, à chaque série, à chaque répétition. Et là, tu vas te rapprocher de ton objectif. Go the fucking gym.
From the back, then I'm breaking her spine. And I dip on the bitch if it wastes my time. Can't fuck with a hoe cause she always lying. I just jump in a rocket, preparing for takeoff. Work 24/7 with no day to take off. You snap what I.
We're gonna have this conversation right now. Last year you put a lot of energy in shit that failed you, abandoned you, disappointed you, broke you. We starting all over. Right now. We ain't fucking up. You gonna have a list. Make sure you're on the top of that motherfucker this year. Let's go.
What do you do on those days that you don't feel that confident or fearless or powerful like you did out there?
Go to the gym.
I can't. You can't? Are you fucking kidding me? You just said I can't? I don't have time for people that are weak and they say I can't. No, you can. You will.
Tôi năm nay hơn 70 tuổi mà tôi chưa gặp cái trường hợp nào mà nó như thế này.
From you looking at me, I got me to say you want me. When you gonna give it up? Got to do, got
I don't know when we're finally going to realize that men are no longer afraid to be single. I mean, yes, they want you, but they don't need you because they would rather step back, build themselves up, and then decide if a woman is worth it. And that man is dangerous because he will see right through your pretty face, your manicured nails, and your sexy outfit. And it is only when he knows that you are being real with him that he will put everything on the line.
Are you serious? You've been in bed all day and all you do is scroll through TikTok. Like, what are you doing? What are you doing? Get up out of bed right now and go to the gym. It's time to get yo, baby. Let's go.
Turn it off.
People who train every day don't want to train every day. They are not motivated to train every day. They are something else. Motivation is the wrong word. They are not motivated. They are disciplined.
Andrew.
Disciplined.
I am powerful. I am strong. I am successful. I am abundant. I am rich. I am determined. I am focused. I am disciplined. I am capable of anything. I am a powerful creator. I am limitless. I am. I am.
Y recuerda, eres el proyecto más importante en el que vas a trabajar toda tu vida. No te defraudes.
Give me love you long time. All my girls get down on the floor. Back to back, drop it down real low. Such a lady, but I'm dancing like a house. 'Cause you know I don't give a fuck, so here we go. How come every time you come around my London Bridge wanna go down like London, wanna go down like London, we going down like. How come every time you come around my London Bridge?
And as for me, lately I've been focusing less on doing what they say I can't do and more on doing whatever the hell I want.
Va quoi merde, Rocky, pas toi. Mais qu'est-ce qui te prend, mon Dieu? Demain. Non, ça... Il sera trop tard demain. Il sera trop tard demain. C'est maintenant ou jamais.
Combien de personnes t'ont dit hey, réveille-toi, arrache tout, t'es le meilleur? Combien de personnes t'ont dit je te jure, t'as vu ce que t'es en train d'entreprendre, lâche pas l'affaire, tu vas y arriver. Quoi que tu fasses, t'es le meilleur, sache-le. T'es le meilleur, t'es le meilleur, t'es la meilleure. Et t'es la meilleure, d'accord? Et y a que comme ça que ça marche. Il faut y croire. Parce que personne pourrait y croire à ta place.
Toi qui es tout seul tout le temps?
Je suis bien tout seul, frérot. Au moins je dépends de personne. Quand t'es seul, tu dépends de personne, tu dépends que de toi, t'es tranquille, y a personne qui peut te décevoir ou te ralentir, tu vois. Mais quand t'es accompagné, tu dépends de quelqu'un.
Ouais, mais quand t'es accompagné, tu peux aller plus loin.
Ça dépend, faut que ce soit sur ton choix, c'est comme jouer à la roulette, frérot. C'est rouge ou noir.
Ah oui, c'est...
C'est soit il te propulse, soit il te ralentit. Mais quand t'es seul, tu vas peut-être moins vite, mais au moins t'es sûr.
As-tu déjà entendu ton père dire « Je ne vais pas travailler aujourd'hui parce que je suis triste ». Évidemment que non. Alors va te faire foutre avec tes émotions et deviens un homme.
Tu vois le gars qui te regarde dans le miroir là? Ouais, ça c'est ton pire adversaire. Chaque fois que tu monteras sur un ring, ce sera lui que tu affronteras. C'est vrai quand on boxe, et je crois que c'est aussi vrai dans la vie. D'accord? Colle-lui un direct à la mâchoire. Accroche-le dans les côtes. Chaque fois que tu frappes, qu'est-ce qu'il fait, lui? Lui aussi il me frappe. Ouais, voilà. Et toi, soit tu bloques, soit tu pars, soit tu sors de la trajectoire. Allez. Bon, ben, je vais vous laisser entre vous un moment. Bonne chance.
Dans la vie, plus tu es quelqu'un de bon, plus tu es différent, plus tu es seul. Alors non seulement il ne faut pas avoir peur de la solitude, mais au contraire, il faut l'utiliser comme une arme et avancer avec force et conviction, puisqu'au bout, il ne peut pas y avoir autre chose que la réussite. Donc, changez de place plutôt que de personnalité si à un endroit, vous n'êtes pas accepté tel que vous êtes.
Tired don't mean nothing. Tired is only in the mind. Tell yourself you're tired, you're gonna be tired. Don't get tired.